And we are live. Hello mga kakwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kapet Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lair business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So tonight, we have a very special guest. Jonah Williams joining us all the way from Australia. She is the devoted mom to her adult child and a proud grandmother and an online business owner who decided to create another source of income while building a better future for her family. So her story is a proof that age, background, and circumstances don't have to stop us from learning something new and creating positive changes in our lives. So grab your coffee, relax, and let's hear her inspiring journey. So welcome to our Kape at Kwento-Kwentong Pagbabaga, Joanna. Please introduce yourself. I will add you to stage. Thank you sa pag-guest sa aking Kape at Kwento. So earlier siya ngayon, 6 p.m. Normally 7 p.m. Please introduce yourself, sis.
Thank you so much, Sis Lori. Lori. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are tuning, watching our live. Here are the moms that's dedicated, not only dedicated, trying to build up some legacy for the future for our kids and grandchildren. My name is Jonah Williams, originally from Philippines, currently living here in New South Wales, Sydney, Australia. I've been here for quite a while, 3 decades now, past 3 decades. And I'm also a digital owner and promoting our digital businesses because as you keep tuning in, you'll find out more about it. And we're very proud to be on this business. Thank you, Sister Lori. Back to you.
Yes, thank you so much. I'll go with my first question. How did you first come across this online business opportunity?
Okay, to answer that first one, as I am working as a support worker, carer, what we call it, assistant in nursing. I'm a midwife by trade, but didn't continue. I came here and then I just want to start working. I stumble on. I've been watching this for quite a while, and then now I stumble on one time and that catches me, and I thought, okay, but I did my diligent. I checked it out, and I keep watching different people, different works of life that proving that this business is legit. So I've tried and reach out, and I did to get to reach out, which is my coach now. She lives in Canada. She's also a Filipina, and then I had the webinar. So I thought, okay, I can do that for and see how it goes. And then I paid the it's not initial. This is to get into our business, to get into the platform, and to get the whole idea of how the business works. We pay 149 USD, and that's not a fee. I mean, that's a sacrifice you make. But if you think about it, if you're gonna enroll in a college or anything like that, you have to pay that. That's just a form. You have to pay constantly every semester. In this one, you don't have to because everything is in the platform. Everything is given to you and prepare. All of them are updated every time there's a changes. All of them is updated for us, for everybody in the community to check it out and complete your training session. Everything is there for you, cater it for you because it's everything is ready. And then it's just up to you. You just have to be consistent. And then so I'm slowly going because like I said, I said to Sister Lori, I work so many hours in a week. So sometimes I don't even have time for, a lot of time, I don't have time for myself. And my grandson He was born, he's almost 6 years old. And my daughter, I hardly see them because I'm constantly at work. Or even if I visit them, it's I keep looking on my watch. So when I stumble into this, I get so comfortable. And it's just not about the income and extra money. I found in this business, in this community, very, very helpful because I can see all the different story of people that even us Filipino, we're all from Philippines, but we reach out and we found each other in this business online because we reach out and we found each other and we're talking and we enjoy it so much. I call it, I normally said, I call it, this is my comfort zone, this is my therapy, this is my psychologist, this, because talking to all different walks of life, we have lawyers, we have successful lawyers, doctors, to the cleaner. No matter who you are, we're even, we're equal. We don't rank each other for different ways because those people that was there before us, they help us. So that's what we're giving out to as well. Whatever we learn, we're trying to give back as well as they give it to us. And it's never ending, it's a lifetime. It's a lifetime member. And this is how legit it is because we're still here. 10 years, I've been there 2.5 years, but I've only been active, like I said, because I'm busy working. And now I enjoy it so much. I don't even care about money because the way I'm thinking is I'm learning my knowledge, my confidence, my comfort is very, very nice and it feels good. So that's my answer to number one. Sorry,
Thank
thanks,
you.
Lord.
Thank you so much, Sis Jonah. Since you ni-mention mo yung nami-meet mo yung other people in the community, right?
Yes.
Marami tayong mga nami-meet na iba't
Oo,
ibang
oo.
iba't
Internationally,
ibang
globally.
yes, global. And also one thing na nami-meet natin yung ibang tao kasi sometimes iniisip natin na pagod na tayo sa trabaho natin. Like before,
Yeah.
I was working 38 hours
Mm-mm.
per week for 5 days sa bangko sa Singapore. And then nung nalaman ko na you're working 16 hours per day for 4 days in a week, 'di
Yeah,
ba?
that's nothing.
Times ano yun, times 5, ilang hours yun in a week. Ako,
30 to
8 hours in a
32.
week nagrereklamo na. And also, you will also learn yung akala mo yung problems mo is napakabigat na, pero
Mm-mm.
when you
And you're the
meet
only
yung
one.
other yes, when you meet your other community, members, 'di ba, mas grabe pa pala yung mga naranasan nila.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
parang, ang dami mong
Nakakagaan.
matututunan.
Mm-mm.
Makakagaan ng na parang akala mo bigat-bigat na ng problem mo, hindi pala, 'di ba? Mas mabigat pa yung naging problem
Mas
nila, pero
malala.
nakaya nila, 'di ba? With faith,
Yeah,
hope talaga
yeah,
kay Lord.
yeah.
So I'll go with my second question. Were you skeptical when you saw this business? Or what were some of your concerns or doubts before ka nag-start?
Yeah, I'm not gonna deny it. I was skeptical because my partner is he's a business owner for 20 years, but he does the traditional one, and of course, being a business owner, he's got two employee because what he does is yeah, he changed the battery, the watches, and cut keys like mga susi, and all sort of battery, even car keys, all of that for 20 years he's been doing that. Prior to that it was internship. And then I've seen him, we could not even go holiday. I've been with him for 13 years. I was divorced from my ex-husband, who's the father of my daughter. He's from Canada. Now my partner is Australian. But I don't see him, we don't get to go holiday because being a business owner, you stuck there to focus, to keep an eye. And I have like I have leave, I have vacation leave, but I couldn't go because I feel guilty if I'm leaving him and I'm not gonna enjoy it, right? So I told him in 2019 or 2018 he was about to finish the contract on that uh specific spot. So they're gonna move him, transfer him upstairs because this is the big department store. And then I told him, no, don't renew it because you're getting old. And you don't even pay yourself because the rent for the spot for the shop is incredible. So he's just making money for the building or the owner, you know, and they're stinking rich, and you don't even, he can't even, he hasn't even fully paid his house at that time, which when I came into his life I helped. But the thing is, I've seen him, he doesn't get holidays 7 days a week, and then when he comes home he's got to do the accounting. And well, on that part I got to help in that, but it's no day off, right? You do the marketing, you do everything. So I was skeptical, but proving it and seeing it constantly in the Facebook and other platform or other media, I've been watching it carefully, and I thought there's nothing wrong with this. And if it is not legit, they'll be kicked out in the Facebook a long time ago. And we're not showing our faces. I mean, would you be taking the risk of taking yourself so you can be in prison? I mean, see, that's how legitimacy it is, because thousands of people, sometimes an hour meeting, we have 3,000, over 3,000 on MM. But that's the thing, because that's how legit it is. And I'm not, before I'm scared because, oh my God, what if I get shut down? What if this and that? But I keep watching, they keep popping out. So I said, oh, what is it not to sacrifice? And then as I got in, I'll just keep watching. And then my partner said, you asked me to stop my business. Now you're entering something. I said, you're finished, you're done. It's my turn. So I gotta have to have my turn. And I said, if I'm gonna stumble and fall, I can get up again. No, there's nothing there's nothing worse of regretting if you haven't tried it. I mean, how can you regret something you haven't done it, right? So, and trial in life, it's given. It's just up to you how you're gonna handle it. So I thought, yeah, I'm gonna go for it. And then even if it's slow, the other thing also, the other good things in this business, yeah, it's slow. It's the same as you go into school. You study and then you gotta graduate. There's a process. There's a stepping stone. There's a process to get there. But if you do it properly in consistency, you will get there, because I saw a lot of proof already. 100%, 150%, it's proven. As long as you committed to it and you have your consistency and you have a big why, everything will fall into the right place, and there's always light in the tunnel. So my skepticism is being proven now, like I'm talking nonstop now with with about the business. And to tell you the truth, I've got to all the people that's watching, maybe they're watching, my colleagues told me, oh, that's another scam, that's another pyramid and stuff. My response is, you're entitled to your opinion. Whether I fall, whether I succeed, it's my decision. So that's all I can say to skeptical people. I mean, look at us. We're still here. I've been here 2.5 years. I'm still here, and I'm going through with it because um not only that, I need to prove people. I don't have to prove it. I don't have to justify, but sooner or later they'll be the one that's gonna reach out onto us. Back to
Yes,
you,
that's true.
sister.
Thank you, sis. That's true, no? Lahat naman tayo from the start will
Yeah.
be very skeptical, especially for me. I was working in a bank. So yung mind ko, I was, it is programmed
Yeah.
na scam or fraud, ganyan. So ganun din. I did my due diligence, lahat in-stop ko, yung mentor ko, yung coach ko. Syempre, i-just isa-search ko muna. So then
Yes.
after that, yun, I already started my online business. So thank you for
Mm.
that, sis Jonah.
You're
For
welcome.
my third yeah. For my third question, what is your biggest why for building this business and what keeps you motivated even on challenging days?
My biggest why is I've been always the breadwinner in the family because I'm the only girl. I have four brothers. Well, I have a sister, but she only lived for 2 months, and I'm second to the oldest. So From the young age, I've been so focused. I had plans. I've been like I start working as soon as I can, like 11 years old. I've been working, and I'm so proud that I can buy my own school stuff, my uniform, my that, because I just treasure everything, because that's also how I value every sense of my work, because it's a hard work. Because if you don't like some, I think you can testify on that. Pag mayaman, hindi naranasan yung hirap, parang baliwala. And then, pagka yung konting hirap na matikman, just a little bit of like, oh, I have a problem, they give up because they never go through with it. But for me, it's my weapon. It's every time, each time I was growing up, that's my weapon. All my experience, I handled that's my learning lesson. Because ever since as well, I keep telling myself, whatever God's given to me as a trial, it will not be given to me unless I can handle it. It's just a matter of how handle it. And then so I came here, and I got married early. I had the baby at 22, 5 days after my birthday to be exact. So we're in the same month. So she's turning 34, and I'm middle aged. If you want to know my age, well, I'm not gonna secretly say, deny it. I'm turning 56 next month. But see, age doesn't matter, and it's not limited. We have here in the community over 80 years old. We have in the community started at 70 years old. And I want, my big why is my family, of course, and most of all my daughter and my grandson. And hopefully she will give me some more grandchildren, because I only have unika iha. I only have one child. So at least sana makabawi sa apo. But whether that comes or not, I mean, I leave it up to her. And but I keep encouraging my son-in-law, her partner. I said, you both because my son-in-law, he was the only son as well from the first marriage. So until her mom, and then the father got married again. But um yeah, those are my biggest why. And hopefully to retire and be able to enjoy my last moments while I'm here on the earth, because I knew myself I work hard already. But there's nothing worse that, okay, like, SS, you when you're working, you got SS money and stuff like that. But that's not enough. We have to have something for rainy days. So, and my big why is learning while you still can, that age does not matter. You don't have to go to school, you don't have to drive. You can do it in your pajama, be comfortable at home, this business. And it's not requirements to do it all the time. Actually, 2 hours in a day maximum, if you can put that, that's a big um contribution for your business to do it. You don't have to be active all the time. It's just a matter. And also, not only that, you can do it while you're cooking, you're ironing, you're washing clothes. I mean, we're parents, we're multitasking. But to make the story short, my big why is my daughter and my grandchildren will benefit for it, and so as my extended family, my nephews and nieces, because this business is transferable to your nominees, to your kids, whoever do you want to give it to. You're already starting it. They will just have to keep going with it. Even though my daughter is skeptical at the moment, but I'm 200%, 1000% that later on, not only they're gonna believe me, and they're gonna say, well, it's real. That's all.
Thank you, Jonah. That's inspiring. Pero lahat naman tayo, 'di ba, about family pa rin talaga. Yung biggest why
Yeah.
natin is for our family and also to help others, di ba? So I'll go
Yeah.
with my, thank you for that, sis. I'll go with my fourth question. I'm looking up kasi yung may baby rocket, yung puting ko, nasa stairs siya, sleeping. Go with my fourth question. Who
Yeah.
inspires you the most within our online business community and why do they inspire you?
Um, lately, at the beginning, not as much as inspiration, but as soon as I start watching all different stories, I cannot pinpoint because there's so many. And our DDI and the MMI, there's so many. So I can't just say because there's so many. I think the better way I can describe is there's just so many inspiring situation, story. Actually, I've got it in the book when I was watching DDI and MMI. Those people that have testament to about their story. There's one lady there. She's also a Filipina that her parents died. She could not go back home because not enough money, no holiday leave, and things like that. You know, those things that we can never bring back, and the ones that like you. And a lot of OFW, they have to leave their kids in a young age because they have to work as an OFW to be able to support. So those are just not simple story, but because there's just so many inspiring story in a different way that you can take it as an experience yourself. You just like I always trying to put my shoes to the others so I can feel it, and then if I see someone that going through the same thing, I feel like I can contribute by giving a suggestion, an opinion, or because I'm seeing it, and other things that I can relate. um I can say something because I know and I felt it, I've been there, I know what it's like. So there's so many inspiring stories, so I can't number them. It's just so many. But I've got some stars on these other ones that if I have to go back, there's so many pages anyway. But yeah, it's inspiring. And then I inspired myself that hey, I feel like a teenager again. I feel like I'm in high school again because it's like one lady said, it's like having a crush. So when I'm tuning in, when I'm doing some slides or some doing the chat GPT and all that, I feel so um proud of myself. Like I inspired myself by doing it. I said, "Hey, I'm not behind now. Like I can talk to my daughter. I know how to do that, you know? Like in my time, in our time or more on my time, we don't have this. We don't have this technology." And also the other the most um inspiring thing is do not get do not let yourself behind the technology because even though we're aging, it's there for you to learn it, to hug it, to embrace it. And it's proven that no matter how old you are, you can do it because it doesn't, it's not because you're older you can't do it, because it's there for you to grab it. It's just a matter of whether you're gonna do it. And for those people who's listening, maybe this is your time. Oh, not maybe, this is the time. You gotta do it.
Yes, that's true, no, sis. There are a lot of inspiring people in our community.
Mm.
They have different talent, different skills, different personality na we can
Yeah,
emulate talaga. And ako particularly, yung nung nag-start ako, si Mildred De Los Santos, siya yung
yeah,
unang-una
yeah.
kong nakita.
They're
I
my
was
coaches.
really, really inspired with her, yung sa work niya before until naging full-time na siya. And also, Coach Franco
Yeah,
for the Introvert Academy, 'di
introvert.
ba?
Yeah,
introvert siya pero he was able to be
Yeah.
a successful dito sa ano natin, sa business natin. So sobra-sobrang dami talaga
Yeah.
inspiring na tao na talagang um parang you want to be like them, 'di ba? Kasi
Yeah.
nga
Yeah. Yeah.
na-reach na
Yeah.
nila yung success. And of course, syempre sa mga baguhan na tulad natin,
Yeah.
mag-uumpisa talaga tayo from ganun din
Yeah.
naman sila before. They
Yeah.
started hanggang
They
sa ilang
didn't
years
just
na rin
jump.
sila sa business. Yes. And
Yeah.
I'll go, thank you for that, sis. I'll go with my fifth question. For those who are curious and want to learn more about the business, what would you advise them to do? Can you share the first steps they should take and what you personally do in the business on a daily basis? Aside yung na-mention mo earlier, di ba, may 2 hours lang in a day,
Yeah.
okay na siya sa business. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. With that number five, for the people who are curious, like I said, if you're watching this or if you're watching the other our other community groups, other community members that they preach the same business, um, you can start by like adding us or reach out to any one of us who you might be interested to reach out, because we're all in one community, we're all in one family. First thing you gotta do, if you reach out in any one of us, you can watch a free webinar which is 90 minutes, because we can't explain then, so we will invite you to a free webinar, and then if you get interested, you will pay the I don't know if I wouldn't call it a membership fee, because this is how to get the insight of the business. So once you pay that, you have 30 days guarantee, refundable if you think it's not for you. But I'm gonna say it now that once you have a look at it, once you have the insight, you will never refund it, because you will know then, because you get to enter and you get to access everything that we are accessing. So you're not gonna be blinded. It's not limitation, or you're just starting. You only see this, because everything is up to you how to do it. Whichever you want to start it, they will show you all the training session, the platform, and you just follow them. And as I said, I don't think, and I believe it, you will never refund it, because when you see the inside, it's like you're a kid in the candy bar, because all you gotta do is, oh my god, I want this, I want this, I want that. So you get so excited that, I mean, what's 149? That's sacrifice. You don't have to go out for dinner. That's nothing. And that's 149 US dollar. Wherever you are, you can convert it. That is a lifetime membership. You got nothing more to add. You got the complete access, and you got us. You got the community. No matter, we don't have, we says coach and mentor on also. You will be assigned to a coach and a mentor once you're in there, but you don't only have the mentor and the coach. You have the whole entire global community to reach out. You never know. I had that experience. I've talked to somebody that they found out they're related because
Yes,
of this
same with
business.
me. Yung
Yeah.
cousin ko, si Maricel Salas.
Yeah.
I don't know if you know her sa 6A and Beyond. Yeah,
Yeah.
classmates pala kami from Zambales.
Oh, right. See,
Yeah.
you never know. My coach is coach Jennifer Luke.
Oh,
Yeah.
Jennifer.
Yeah, and Joyce Domingo is my mentor. So they're all in Canada, and we don't know. And then we have a group Visaya as well. And they have a group Ilocano, but they will ask us as well to, contribute. And this is the thing, like I said, this is a global family community. So, there's no sino-sino ka o may ano ka, yung ranko ka, ganun. We're all equal. And to saying that even the CEO, Mike and Darren, look at them. I mean, and there's no say, whatever ethnicity, culture you are, you're more than welcome. And it's really good because it's funny because even though we're from different countries, we seem to speak one language. You know what I mean? And that's the other thing about this community. You can have your own language. You can reach out on your own country. And whether it's not in your country, but they speak the same language, they're in the other country, like OFW or migrant, you can reach out with them. Because once you're in it, you have the full access. And I'm just bragging it because that's how reality in this business. I'm just so surprised. I'm the only daughter, but now I found tons of sisters, tons of auntie. So, and we're one community as a family, and it feels so good because you can share whether it's a sad story, a happy story, a small step win, we can share everything. There's no embarrassing moment. So
That's true, sis.
sorry. Once I start, I just keep going.
I'll go. Thank you for that, sis. I'll go with my sixth question. What advice would you like to give to people who are watching today and thinking about starting something new, but still very hesitant?
If you're hesitant, I can deny you on that. I can say don't be because that's your right. First thing, and but the only thing that I guess I can say that once again, you'll never know until you try it. And it's just a stepping stone. Like I said, if you do pay 149 and you think that's nothing there and it's not for you, you're more than welcome. There's a lot of people in this community that they started, and then when they first started, they didn't think it's for them. But then as we're getting more and more and more exposed after, especially during the COVID and after COVID, a lot of people lost jobs and they found this. And then those one who join in, they quit because they think, oh, I mean, it's gonna take a while. I need the money now. You don't have to give up your first job, your permanent part-time job or full-time job to step into this because this is just whenever you're free and you can do it in your own time. And as I said, you can do it multitasking, you can do it. I mean, a lot of times we're doing something, we have once, we're doing live and something happened in the kitchen, and that's how reality is. It's real. We're not faking, we're not AI, as you can see us, and our name is in there. um, that's the real daily life that you don't have to hide it. Like we said, at work, it's just like sirang plaka, paulit-ulit. You go to work, you come home, the same thing. It's just, um, what you call it? Yeah, it's like a sirang plaka na parang gano'n na lang nakakasawa. Kahit na pikit ang mata mo, kaya mong gawin kasi yun na lang ang ginagawa mo. Which is this business, yung mai-excite ka kasi may panibago, may bago kang mamimit, may bagong magi-inspired sa'yo. Tapos 'pag nagawa mo, when you do something, you can be proud of. You're very, very proud at saka parang ako ang feeling ko parang bumabalik ako sa pagkabata kasi nai-explore ko yung hindi ko nagagawa noon. Kumbaga, puwedeng lumalandi ako dito, yung parang gano'n kasi I can voice out. I can tell my feelings. And this is the time that you can also try it, especially if you're migrant, you're alone in the country. This is the best connection you will ever have. And like we said, we didn't know we got to meet our relatives because of this. And that's how global, and we must have to admit it, everything is online now. Even grocery, you order it online. In here in Australia, I feel like my neighbors was ordering grocery, and I was like, no, I still want to go. I'm on the old school. I want to go shopping. I want to go palenque. I want to go make, because that's that's my, kumbaga parang yun yung relaxation ko eh. Despite on trabaho, linis ng bahay and home, yung paglabas na mag-shopping ka, mag-ano ka, kahit window shopping lang, even if you don't have to buy, you go out. And in this business, everything is online. You can reach out, you can lie down, you don't have to get changed and magpustura, put makeup to go out. And you don't have to drive, especially the petrol money, the petrol cost now. Everything's going up. In here, you got internet, use it. Why are you wasting it to go TikTok and doing all nonsense things? Why don't you use, I'm jealous to those people who's tech savvy. Because if I was them, I keep telling them, even my daughter, sometimes I said, you're so good in technology. I wish you will use it with this. Then we can work together and things like that. My brother is IT. He's now here. I feel I feel I feel wasted. They're wasting their ability, their talents on something that you can't, you're not gonna benefit it. I mean, just as long as you're patient, this business will bring you um legacy in life and freedom and early retirement. I will say it again, early retirement. It's a stepping stone. Everything. I mean, there's a lot. I know one of my partner's friend, he spent 120,000. All of the sudden, the partner ran away. Look at that. See? And that's why suicidal is getting more because of the failure, the failing. They think they're gonna and too ambitious. I think that's one major thing. Too ambitious. They think one day in a million, like, oh, I'm gonna be millionaire tomorrow. It only happens when you win lotto. And nothing is, remember this, nothing comes easy, doesn't goes away easy. Pero pag pinagtrabahuan mo, my always example to my co-business owner and to my community, kung gusto mo magkaroon ng magandang harvest, plant the plant you wanted to plant it. At didiligan mo like a baby. Everything you have to take care of it in according to and nurture them in according to harvest good and later on when harvest time comes. Because you cannot just buy seeds and watch it. They're not gonna grow. You buy grocery, you cannot eat them when you don't turn on the oven and cook it. Everything you have to work for. That's life. And what you're gonna wear if you don't wash your clothes. So that's like a continuously. Everything is a learning process. Everything. The only thing that's not was given to us without instruction when we had a baby, right? But then that comes the responsibility. You have to nurture the baby until they grow up. And in our culture as a Filipino, it doesn't matter how old you are. As long as you're my kid, you're my baby. There are responsibilities because they are my culture. There's our culture. And also for those people, I suggest who's ever watching, it doesn't have to be us, whoever you wanted to reach out, ask questions. That's how you get into the business. And we can't wait for you guys to see you inside our business.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much, Miss. Thank you so much.
Mm.
And yung some people, 'di ba, yung pagiging innovative ng technology natin, parang hindi sila masaya. Kasi some some of my friends na nalaman ko na nawalan sila ng work because of AI. So,
Yeah.
instead of maging problema natin yung innovation, yung technology natin, very innovative na, why not make use of the online business, di ba? Since
Yes,
yun yung
yes,
boom ngayon.
exactly.
So,
Yeah.
yeah. And also yung sinabi mo nga na um, kailangan mo mag-plant ng seed. So, yung business na 'to is not a quick rich scheme. Oh, my baby is
Yes,
awake. So, it's not a quick rich scheme. So, kailangan mo talaga magtanim. Parang mangga, pag
yes,
ito sa
yes,
buto, you need to nurture it, you need to plant it, and kailangan mo siyang alagaan hanggang sa lumaki, magbunga, kaya time to harvest. So we don't have enough time, and my baby Rocket is already awake. Mangungulit na siya. Thank you so much, Sis Jonah, for
thank you,
sharing.
thank you, thank you.
Yeah, for sharing your story and your experiences and your valuable insights with us tonight. Your journey,
Anytime.
yeah, your journey reminds us change is possible when we're learning. When we are
Mm,
willing, sorry, when we are willing to learn, and to take action and stay connected to our goals. So to everyone watching, yes, baby. Nangiistorbo yung baby ko. So to everyone watching, we hope tonight's conversation has inspired you and have shown you that ordinary people can create extraordinary results when they give themselves a
yes.
chance. Oh, my baby is here. So thank you for spending your time with us
Thank you, thank you. Take
tonight.
good care. Oh my
Remember, this is
gosh.
my future Rocket. He's going 3 months old sa June 23. So let's continue
Oh,
to
okay.
open our hearts to new possibilities, open our mind to new
Yes.
ways of living, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next live for another episode of Kape at Kwento,
Okay.
Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee, bring your
We are here
dreams,
to
and let's
help.
make
Thank
change.
you.
Yeah, let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. So if you're curious, and you want to learn more, just message us or register on our website at www.lauryramos.com, or for Joanna Williams, ano po yung ano nyo, website nyo?
My website is www.jonahwilliamsdigital.com. And you
Okay.
can find us on the Facebook if you forget our website. You see these faces, our name is in the bottom. Just reach out. Look for us. And see you
Yes,
inside. Thank you so
yes.
much.
Thank you, thank you.
Good
Bye-bye.
night.
Thank you. Good night and God bless us all.
Okay. Talk to you soon. And just keep an eye when if I message you just in case. Okay?
Okay.
Or
And to like
invite.
this.
Okay. Thank you. Good night.
Thank
Bye.
you.